In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Databox to monitor some of your tactics from Darian's playbook. We'll cover how to track social media campaigns to see what's working, how to use demographic data to validate your audiences for paid campaigns, and how to loop your dashboards into one view to track different performance metrics. I'll be using sample data from a Google Sheet, but you can easily connect your own data sources to recreate these examples for your own campaigns. In the playbook, Darian shares how you can use the TCO framework to create campaigns that are well-targeted, creatively appealing, and have a compelling offer. And to track the success of your campaigns, you can use a tool like Databox. By connecting social media platforms, you can create dashboards that give you real-time insights into your social media performance. Let's say I work for a social media management tool and we just launched a new scheduling feature. We're running a big campaign through our brand account, and I want to monitor how our posts are performing on LinkedIn. Since I'm focused on monitoring my post performance, I'll drag and drop the table visualization. Then under metrics, I'll select impressions and clicks. If you want to exclude specific posts, you can use the dimension dropdown to select the exact posts you want to display on your data board. If I were running this campaign on multiple channels, I could also drag and drop another table visualization and add, let's say, Instagram data to view this side by side. To finish, I can then rename this data board to post performance, and we can change the background colors. Darian also mentions how you can use your organic channels to identify specific audiences or angles worth putting some budget behind. For example, if you're running a campaign on LinkedIn and most of your followers are managers from mid-sized companies, so 150 to 250 employees in the marketing industry, you might want to consider running paid campaigns against that audience to get your message to them faster. A quick way for you to figure this out is by using our public templates. We offer over 150 data board templates across multiple industries and platforms. You can use the filtering options to find the exact data board you need. Since we're looking at LinkedIn, we'll use the data source filter and select LinkedIn company pages. And something like the LinkedIn page demographics overview will work for us. Once we select use this template, we can always customize it more to fit our needs. We can remove metrics, change backgrounds or visualization colors, add new metrics, and so much more. Here you can see I've created 3 data boards. I have my pipeline performance overview, which includes metrics like impressions, clicks, landing page view, and demos to show me how my campaign is converting a pipeline. I have post performance data board, which is the one we created together. And lastly, the LinkedIn page demographic overview. If I wanted to create one view where I can quickly scan how LinkedIn is contributing to my pipeline, I can group these data boards together using a data board loop. I'll select the data boards I want to include. Next, I'll give my loop a name. Let's call this one LinkedIn Performance Overview. Now, I can use this loop every time I want to see how my LinkedIn efforts are driving pipeline performance. I hope this helped you learn a few ways that you can use Databox to measure your social media efforts. If you want to dive deeper, check out Databox 101 to learn more ways it can help you make better decisions and improve your company's performance.